Jasmy Coin is making a lot of free press, making some headlines recently as Bitcoin is tumbling down below $60,000. My friends, today I want to talk to you guys about my key target for the Jasmy token, where I see us headed here in the short to midterm for this coin and the overall market for crypto. I opened up a little trade that I want to talk to you guys about on Blowfin, actually a leverage short on Jasmy, just as an example of where I think these targets are going to go for a little bit of fun and just to kind of take advantage of some of the downside. And I got to talk about where we kind of head next from here. So if you like the content, smash the like button, stick around to the end, subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. And let's go ahead and get into it. This is the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip, and Bitcoin is down below 59,000 today, actually at $59,919. Below 60K, Bitcoin has broken critical support. And unfortunately, if you look at the price action over the last 24 hours on crypto, here's some of the top gainers. A couple coins are up, only a few. Most everything is down. And unfortunately, you can see that some Bitcoin-related tokens are really down the most. And over the last 7 days, you will see that Jasmy Coin is the third biggest bleeder. Now, I put out a video a while ago, my friends, and this is that video. I talked about a 40% crash for Jasmy 9 days ago. So if you want to take a peek at what's going on right now with Jasmy, you will see that about 9 days ago, which was right about here, you will see that right now we are already down 26% from the time of that recording. And the reason for that was very simple. I saw Bitcoin testing the top of this range. We were coming back down to test the bottom of this range, and we have broken now through. It looks like we might even visit $52,000. I don't want to see that. It could happen, guys. We might get a little bit of a bounce here. I am hopeful. Let's see how it plays out for Bitcoin. But as for the Jasmy price, I do have this target here on this green line of about, 2.1 or 2 cents. Somewhere around here, which does make sense because we could really see it bounce off this moving average at about, 2.2, maybe 2.3, which is kind of the same point as this point of breakout, which then we could test that, make it support, and this just kind of makes sense to me. But the reason that Jasmy Coin is tumbling so hard right now is simply because right now Bitcoin's coming down and the overall altcoin market is bleeding, and Jasmy just had a very beautiful pump. Now, very important to note, guys, it is getting a lot of good free press right now. Bitcoin price loses ground as Ton, Pepe, Cass, and Jasmy catch traders' attention. Getting free press from Cointelegraph, not a bad thing. Jasmy Coin getting talked about by the media, this is good. This can attract buyers. And in fact, they're talking about how these coins can attract buyers. Getting lumped in with Pepe and Caspa and Toncoin, these are very trendy tokens. Jasmy's a very trendy token right now. We've already done videos talking about its partnerships with Sony and some other entities out there. Obviously, the leadership for this team is actually from Sony. That's really the real news behind Sony and Jasmy. But other publications are also writing about this. Top cryptocurrencies to watch this week: AVAX, Jasmy, Bonk. Everybody's getting Jasmy into their headlines. A lot of people are talking about Jasmy, and there's no doubt that this Internet of Things play, Jasmy, where it's basically essentially getting control of your data and then being able to sell your data, which is a great idea. It's very trendy, and it's making headlines. So anyway, as I am a little bit bearish on the price action, I did open up a very tiny short. I mean, a 5x, $30 short, just to kind of put some money where my mouth is, to watch some of this price action play out, have a little bit of fun. While, the markets are bleeding, you can still trade, guys. And I've been talking about that. I believe this is a good time to trade some of the volatility in crypto. So with the free $30 that I actually got up through signing up for our link in the comments down below, you can sign up for Blowfin. You do get some free money. This is a trade I opened with that free money that I got for signing up through our link. And I am actually doing some perpetuals trading with it, messing around with Jasmy. You can go buy DCA into Jasmy spot, or you can do some perpetuals, some leverage trading. Please be careful though. Leverage trading can be extremely risky. I'm using a very small amount of money with a little bit of leverage. If you're a good trader, you can do more than that. Obviously, I'm just playing around with it to have a little bit of fun today. But I am also a believer that despite being bullish on Jasmy for the long term, we are looking at a little bit of a collapse for the Jasmy token. And again, I do see the possibility of it coming down to this target. Even if Bitcoin continues back up into this range, maybe Jasmy can get a little bit of a bounce. It probably should if Bitcoin comes back up. But until Bitcoin makes a decisive move to the upside and breaks through the new high that we set at about $73,000, or maybe even just gets back above 69K, I am looking for more downward pressure on not just Jasmy, but really the entire altcoin market, as the overall market cap is coming down. I'm not going to be surprised to see it come a little bit lower, especially if Bitcoin dips down to this 52K level. That's what my video was about this morning on my live stream. I do live streams every Monday through Friday. You guys should check it out if you haven't done so already. Check out the links in the description down below. You can sign up for Blowfin, get some free money, Femex, BitGet. Check those out. If you want to become a member on our channel, we've also got a link in the description down below. You get access to our private Discord. I am increasingly more bullish on Jasmy. I do love seeing that this is getting into the mainstream media, let's say, Cointelegraph, some other crypto news publications are talking about it. Twitter certainly seems to be going crazy over Jasmy as well. And I want to remind you guys, yeah, I'm opening up a little short trade. It's just a short term. In the short term, I'm looking for sideways to downward action as long as Bitcoin is crashing or sideways. When Bitcoin bounces, I'm looking forward to not only a Jasmy pump, but an entire altcoin crypto market pump. I'm looking for that overall market cap for crypto to blast past $3 trillion, our previous all-time high. We have not seen it yet, which means, in my opinion, the bull market's not over. There's a ton more upside ahead for Jasmy and your other favorite altcoins. If they're good coins and you've done the research and you feel like it is a good pick for this bull market, my thought is I'm DCAing and I'm hodling onto those coins that I've done my due diligence on. Are you bullish on Jasmy? What are your thoughts in the short term for the price action for Jasmy? Let me know in the comments down below. That is all I got for you in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Do your own research, my friends. Nothing's financial advice here. 2 videos here for you if you want to check them out, though. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, y'all.